Hey folks, I'm Sev Garaskin from Barrack's Bunny team together with my partner April AI. And in a few minutes, I'll show you the paradigm shift to data interfaces with true real time intelligence on data. What you see is an interface that makes data sets feel like interactive stories. Imagine you're a BC policymaker and tomorrow you get to decide whether to invest $2 million in AI training. You have 1001 survey responses and three options. Option 1 is to read a 200-page PDF. Option 2 is to stare at static charts. Or you can let and pick option 3 to let an intelligent interface guide you through the data. We built option 3, the artificially generally intelligent data interface, the interface that guides you through the infinite number of data adventures and continuously uncovers deep insights in your data. Let's dive in and take a look at it. My name is Seth, and I'm a founder. What we see here is not just a website with three panels. Everything is dynamically generated by artificial intelligence. It's a storytelling engine based on your data. Let's explore demographic patterns in a 1001 response BC dataset. Right now, we're sending the prompt to the model, and the model explores the data and creates a story. In a few seconds, the model is going to return with the story, and you'll see what happens. So we're kicking off our adventure. All right, as you can see, the model dove into the data and it pulled up some initial stats with the key insights. And now
Sev, as a founder, you know that understanding
I will let AI talk.
your audience is everything. Let's dive into the fascinating demographic landscape of BC's AI adoption. The data reveals some striking patterns across our 1001 survey respondents. Here's what the numbers tell us. The largest group are working professionals at 572 people, 57.1% of respondents, followed by community leaders at 341 people, 34.1%. But here's where it gets interesting for someone in your position. Young tech enthusiasts, while only 60 people, 60%, show the highest AI sentiment score at 0.82, compared to creative professionals at 84 people, 8.4%, with a more cautious 0.73 sentiment.
Okay, so this is artificial intelligence walking us through the data story that it dynamically created. Not only that it created a story, it uncovered the key insights. 57% are working professionals, and it created a nice infographic to show us. On the right, we have a dynamic visualization engine. These charts are fully dynamically generated. And AI decided which charts to show. For instance, here it had a key finding where occasional AI users outnumber regular users by 2.5x, 405 occasional users versus 164 regular users, only 4% difference. And it shows us the distribution of types of users in terms of their experience level with artificial intelligence. Now, based on this adventure, it's also decided, okay, well, let's figure out what are the next steps in our story, and let's generate some options. So these options were dynamically generated by AI again, and it allows us to dive deeper into our data. We can choose to continue this adventure, or we can ask questions of the data directly. Let's ask about the rural population. Can you give us some insights about the rural population in British Columbia? So now we decided, okay, let's wait and see what the model comes up with. And also in the meantime, we want to make this fun, so we have kind of build it like a game. So these are achievements that you can unlock, and as you dive deep into the data, you unlock more achievements that kind of gives you like a little bit of motivation to continue the exploration. As you can see, we're now a rural researcher. And here's our adventure, right? Well, we found an interesting insights, which is 2.6% adoption rate difference between urban and rural regions.
As a founder who
This could create a market opportunity if we're deciding to expand it in those regions as well. All right. And we can just keep going, and the story will just keep going, and the insights will just keep automatically generating as we dive deeper and deeper into the data. So the story never stops, and we can kind of track our progress and then take the best insights and our organizational and business decision making with them. So what you've seen, it's not just a data tool. It's a way to experience data sets. There is no coding required, no analysis skills needed. This is an example of effective and fun human AI collaboration. Now imagine this for like indigenous youth exploring climate data, or small businesses understanding markets, or students learning complex topics, or just any community exploring their data. So the question isn't whether AI will change data analysis. The question is, are you ready to stop reading about the data and start experiencing it? This project takes you from static dashboard to true real-time intelligence, from looking at the data to conversing with it. So welcome to the future of data storytelling. Thank you.